Exceptional quality hotel at the heart of Kyoto. It was more than we expected. Even the toilet paper is high quality. It felt brand new. The staff were also exceptional. There's free coffee on the lobby, a cafe/restaurant just below the hotel, and it's just 1 minute away from the main shopping street. The water pressure in the shower is also amazing low. For the price we paid, we weren't expecting for this top quality level of service and accommodation. Gion, Mitsuri, very near to the places we want to go. Gion. And the possession area. Great location. A couple of minutes walk to Nishiki Market. The Tosei line is at 5 blocks, buses line to major attractions are at 3 minutes walk. There is a 7-Eleven across the street. The room is large for Japanese standards. I missed having a great view from the room. It was in the second floor and the window looked directly at the wall of another building, but the price was really low given all the other advantages. Great service, the staff was really friendly and helpful. Exceptional. Great location to explore on foot or public transportation. Room was very clean though a little dark. With a room right on the second floor, I could hear music and noise from the restaurant downstairs in the background, but it went away after the restaurant closed at night. Lovely stay. Cozy and homely vibes, comfortable stay, big enough room, walking distance to Nishiki Market and many shop houses surrounding the hotel. Friendly staffs. Recommend. Perfect location and value for money. I love this place. It's perfectly located between the shopping streets and Nishiki Market. The only con is there seems to be no humidifier in the room and bathroom that, in the morning, the windows in the bathroom floors are wet and the bathroom is horribly cold. We were there January 17th to 23rd winter. Other than that, I have no complaints. Oh. The fridge was oddly located, above the desk, that I bumped my head and it was bleeding for a few minutes. The staff were all super nice, the room was sparkly clean, and the location is unbeatable. We will definitely stay here again when we fly back. My boyfriend loves it as much as I do. The hotel provides coffee which I believe is available the whole day. No breakfast but we didn't, and because there was a 7-Eleven in front of the hotel and so many cafes around the area.